Someone is saying Halloween. Yeah, Halloween is...
Mga kapatid, pakinggan po natin to ha. Yung sinasabi ng propetang ito, ng lingkod ng Diyos, yung ginagawa natin, ginagawa ng mga Pilipino taon-taon. Pakinggan po natin.
Demonic. Halloween is demonic. Christmas is demonic. Valentine's Day is demonic. Many other days are demonic. They are pagan festivals. They are festivals from the devil. They are not festivals for God. They are all demonic. Someone is saying Halloween. Yeah, Halloween is demonic. Halloween is demonic. Christmas is demonic. Valentine's Day is demonic.
Kita mo
Many
yan,
other days are demonic. They are pagan festivals. They are festivals from the devil. They are not festivals for God.
Natin, di pala yan talaga.
They are all demonic.
Pakinggan natin minsan pa ang sinasabi ng lingkod ng Panginoon.
You will see famine, meaning there will be hunger. People will be dying because there is no food. And also in 2026, because of famine, I saw fake food, the rise of fake food. So be careful, you're going to be eating fake rice, fake everything. There's going to be fake food next year.
Mag-iingat tayo dito. Maraming faking pagkain.
There's going to be a lot of fake
Maraming faking
food made out of plastic.
yari sa bigas, yari sa plastic. Ibang tao mamamatay dahil siyempre plastic yan.
2026 you will see famine, meaning there will be hunger. People will be dying because
The
there's
year
no food.
2026.
And also in 2026, because of famine, I saw fake food, the rise of fake food. So be careful, you're going to be eating fake rice, fake everything. There's going to be fake food next year. It's going to increase. There's going to be a lot of fake food.
Grabe,
food made out
no?
of plastic, food made out of different materials.
Naku po. Plastic na bigas. Tignan po natin to mga kapatid, kaibigan, kababayan. Kung ano yung piyesta at pinifestival ng mga tao ngayon. Tignan nyo, panoorin nyo, kaya sinong Diyos na matutuwa kung sino ang kanilang siniselebrate. Napakaraming tao na gumagawa nito ngayon, no?
Con 1, this is not AI.
Grabe, oh, tignan nyo po yan. Hindi po yan AI, piyesta talaga yan, oh. Totoong tao yan. O kung sino yung kanilang binabandila.
Idol worship is coming back, just like they did it in Babylon. They also dance before their gods. The main gods being worshipped
Ang
here
wino-worship
are
nila,
Phoenix in the
demonyo.
middle, Poseidon on the left, and Quetzalcoatl on the right.
Oh, tingnan mo nga yan, oh. Kanilang wino-worship.
If you think it's just music, you're an idiot. This is worship, and it's spiritual. If you renounce the spiritual curse and you worship Jesus instead, type praise Jesus and subscribe to Make Christians Stronger. Watch what happened at DEFCON 1. This is not AI.
Oo nga. Totoo yan. May mga helicopter pa sa itaas, oh. Grabe, oh. Kita mo naman yung nag-worship ang mga tao sa mga ano na yan. Mga estatwa ng evil. Grabe. Mga kababayan.
Idol worship is coming back, just like they did it in Babylon. They also danced before their gods. The main gods being worshipped here are Phoenix in the middle, Poseidon on the left.
Ginagalit talaga nila ang Panginoong Diyos. Gusto nilang galitin ang Panginoong Diyos. Oh, napakaraming mga tao ang nag-worship, oh, sa evil.
If you renounce the spiritual curse and you worship
Oh,
Jesus
God.
instead,
Tignan nyo nga yan, oh.
Jesus and subscribe to Make Christians Stronger.
Oh, kita nyo po ang result ng kapangyarihan ng Diyos kapag pinaulan niya ng malakas. Wala tayong magagawa. Walang magagawa ang mga tao. Sinong gobyerno, sinong presidente, senador, at sinong taong mayayaman na makakapigil ng ulan at baha na yan. Diba mga kababayan? Grabe, napakalakas, oh. Halos abutan na ng tulay. Delikado pang mawasak yung tulay na yan. Oh, ang tubig. Pupunta na rito sa bahayan, oh. Mai-stack na ang tubig. Delikado itong maraming bahay na yan. Pag panay ulan, panay pano, delikado yan. Ay, nako, talaga naman. Grabe, oh. Delikado pa yung kabila.